Hello everyone, welcome back again in the second concept which we are discussing here. Again, this is very common question in many competitive exams. How to find the rank of a word if you arrange the words in a dictionary order. Okay, so we are going to mainly discuss the shortcut part of that. So let's start the question here. So the question here is the letters of the word tough are permuted and all the permutations are arranged in alphabetical order as in English dictionary. The number of words that appear before tough. So basically what you have to find how many words are before the word tough, or you can basically relate this question, what is the rank of the word tough, right? We will see. Now, what is the meaning of this question is, first you understand the question part first, right? If you have the word tough, how many words we can form by using this? How many words can be made using all the letter of this word? You can say total 5 factorial words. Right? I can arrange this in 5 factorial ways. That is 120 words. 120 words can be made with meaning or without meaning, right? Now, if I arrange all these words in dictionary order, so what will be the first word? First word will be GHOTU, right? In English alphabetical order, if you know how to read dictionary, first you will have the letter G, then you will have H, and then O, and so on, right? And what will be the last word? You can say last word will be UTOHG. This will be the last word. If you arrange all this will be 120th word. This will be the first word. Now our question is, somewhere in between we will have tough, the word tough. So what is the rank of this word, or how many words are before this word tough, right? Now, what is the conventional method to solve this? You can use the concept of permutation combination. How? By if you will have 5 lettered words. If you start reading a dictionary, the first word, like the words will start from G. So these are not important for us because we want to reach to T, right? So in dictionary, how many words will appear with us which are starting with G? Similarly, we will have the words which are starting with H, because in dictionary, second, the number of the words will start with H. Then we will have the words which are starting with T. You can, O, right? Now in dictionary, you will have the letter T. Now we are interested in words T, which are starting with T. Now the words which are starting with T will start again from G, right? After O, you will have the words which are starting with T, G. Then we will have the words. So T has gone. Let me cut all the letters which are gone, right? T has gone. T. Then in the dictionary, we will have H, alphabetical order, H, right? Then in dictionary, we will have T, O, right? Because after G, H, we will have the words which are starting with O. So you can see T is gone, A is gone. We want T, O, right? Now in dictionary, after T, O, what type of words you will have which are starting with G, T, O, G, right? Now again you see which are starting with, now we have used G also. After G, you will have the words which are starting with TOH. And so on, you can see here, the words which will be starting after H, we cannot use OT because they have already gone, right? This is O, and obviously after O, G will come and then H will come. So you have reached to tough, correct? Right. So TOGUHES. Now, how many such words we have? You can see how many words which can be made using starting with G. 4 factorial words. Because we have 4 different letters which are remaining. 4 places. How many ways? 4 factorial ways. Total number of words is 4 factorial. In this case, how many words we can? 4 factorial. Here also we can make 4 factorial words. Here we can have 3 factorial words. This is again 3 factorial words. Here we have 2 factorial words. Here we have 2 factorial words, right? So what is the total number of words before tough? Before tough, these are the number of words. So what is the answer? This is 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial. This is 24. 4 factorial is 24 into 3. Then we have 3 factorial, 3 factorial. This is 12. 6 plus 6, 12. And this is 4. This is 2 plus 2, 4. So what is this? This is 72. Right? Then we have 12 plus. I hope this is clear. So now what is this? This is 16. So this is 8. Right? This is 8, 88. Yes. Yeah. So how many words are before tough? That is 88. And if the question is, what is the rank of the word tough? Rank, we will say this is 89. So there might be two questions. What is the rank of the word tough? That is 89. And how many words are before tough? That is 88. So this is the proper way to solve this question. But there is a shortcut. We can easily solve this with shortcut. If you are very comfortable with shortcut, you don't have to do this much. So let's take the shortcut here. Now, what is the shortcut? See, we have T, O, U, G, H. We have to find the rank of this word tough. So first I'll mark the rank of this in alphabetical order. So in alphabetical order, this is first rank, right? This will appear first. Then we have this. So these are, I have written the ranks of these for 5 letters in dictionary. This will appear first, then it will appear second, and so on. Now just start from left. Just start from left. So from left, how many numbers you can see which are less than 4 on the right hand side of this? This is 4. How many letters you can see? How many numbers you can see which are less than 4? We have 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 here. Now, how many numbers are less than 3 on the right hand side? This is 2. How many numbers are less than 5 on the right hand side? This is 2. How many numbers are less than 1 on the right hand side? This is 0. And here there is no number, we will write 0. Now, all the letters are different here. So this is the first case when all the letters are different. When all letters are different. I'll tell you what happens if the letters are same also. Us case we will discuss this method. Okay. So if all letters are different, you just multiply with 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Just write 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and 4 factorial. From the right, you can start. Now multiply this. Just multiply this. So what is this? This is 3 into 4 factorial plus 2 into 3 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial. So what is this? You can see here, this is 24 into 3, 72. This is 6 into 2, 12 plus 4. This is 0, this is 0. And now you can see this is equal to 88. Now, if the question is, what is the number of words which are before tough, then the answer is 88. And always remember, if you have to find the rank, you always add 1 to this number, which is 88 plus 1, which is 89. So rank of the word is 89, and the number before this word tough is 88. So you can see this is exactly same thing which we got. This is exactly same thing which we got in the previous case, the standard method. Okay. So let's apply the same method in the next question. So next question is, if all the letters of the word knife are permuted, then again the same question, what is the dictionary order of what is the rank of the word knife? If you arrange this, you can see all the letters are different here. So if you apply the same shortcut, you can try this with the basic method also. I'm quickly going through the solution through shortcut method. Let me, where is the question? Yes. So we have knife. You can start trying this. We have K, N, I, F, E. These are the numbers, right? Now in dictionary, you will have A, B, C, D, E. You can just count. F, I, K, and n. So this is, so these are the words which are I have just written the alphabetical order. All right, this will be first F J K E F G H I J K L M N. Right, this is correct. Yeah. So now you see how many numbers are less than 4 on the right hand side? 3 numbers. How many numbers are less than 5 from this side? This is 3. How many numbers are less than 3 on the right side? We have 2. How many numbers are less than 2 on the right side? 1. And there is no number which is on the right side of E, right? Now again, you write this is 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. And now you just multiply them. If you multiply this, you can directly say this is 3 into 24. This is 3 into 6. This is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 and 0 into 0 factorial. So what is this? This is 72 plus 18 plus 4 plus 1. Yes, this is clear. So what is this? You can see here, this is 20. You can see this is 80, 90, 95. So how many words are before 95? What is the rank? The question is, what is the rank? Rank is 95 plus 1, which is equal to 96. So you can try, you can see how quickly you can solve this type of question by using this shortcut. Okay. Now we will see what happens, what modification you have to do if the letters are repeated here. Okay. So let me take the next question where we have some letters which are identical. So now this was the question appeared in 2016. You can use the basic method, the first method, and try this. I'm giving you the shortcut for this. Let's say again the question is you have to find the position of the word small if you arrange in dictionary. So now see, we have S, M, A, L, L. Okay. So again, same thing. We will write the positions in alphabetical order. This will appear 1, A, L, M, and then. So I have written alphabetical order. It will appear first, then it will be second, it will appear third, and so on. Right. Now again, same thing. How many numbers are less than 4 on the right hand side? You can see this is all the number, that is 4. How many numbers are less than 3 on the right hand side? 3. How many numbers are less than 1 on this side? 0. How many numbers are less than 2 on this side? 0. How many numbers are less than 2 on this side? This is 0. This is clear. How many numbers are less than 4? All this. This is 4. Then 3. Then this is, there is no number which is less than 1 here, and so on. Now we will write same thing, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Till now, what we have done exactly same thing जो हमने किया था when the letters were different. बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको modification करना होगा. We have to divide these numbers because there are some identical letters. There will be some arrangement. तो हमको यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको modify करना पड़ेगा. Now, what will be the modification? Considering S, how many letters are identical on the right side of it? How many identical letters? We have 2 identical letters. So we have to divide by 2 factorial. Considering M also, how many letters are identical on this side? You can see 2. That is why we are dividing this by 2 factorial. Considering A also, how many letters are identical on this right hand side? You can see again 2 letters are identical. Right, this is 2 factorial. Considering L, how many identical letters are on the right side of this L? So we have to consider this L also. This L also. That is why I'm saying considering that we have to include this also. This is L, L. That is 2 factorial. And that is 0 factorial. There is no letter which is repeated here. So now we will do the same thing. 4 into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. This is 3 into 3 factorial. Divide by 2 factorial. This is basically 0. This is also 0. This is also 0, right? 0 factorial is 1. So this is 1 into 0. Similarly, 0. This is 0, right? So this is 2 into, this is 2 into 24. Let me directly write this. So this is 2 into 24, which is 48. This is 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 by 2, that is 9. So what is this? This is 57. So 57 words are before the word small. So what is the rank in this question? What is the position? Position means rank. You have to find the rank. So what is the rank? What is the rank? You can say this is equal to 57 plus 1, which is equal to 58. So what is the answer? The rank will be 58 for this question. So I hope this is clear. You can just check this. I'll take one or two questions also, so that this part is little confusing sometimes, that which factorial you have to divide. So I'll take one more question so it will be clear. Yeah, so same question. Yeah, you have to again arrange in the dictionary order. The word is Cochin. So this is COCHIN. You can just pause this video and try once, and then you can check the answer. You have to again find the number of words that appear before the word tough. Okay, sorry, Cochin. So now again, we will have dictionary order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So these are the ranks you can see in the dictionary order, right? Correct. Now, how many numbers are less than 1 on the right hand side? 0. How many numbers are less than 5 on the right hand side? 4. How many numbers are less than 1 on the right hand side? 0. How many numbers are less than 2? You can see here. I hope this is clear. Now, we will have 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Here we will have 5 factorial. Now, since the letters are repeated here, you can see C and C are repeated. So we have to make adjustment also. So now see, using this C, how many letters are identical? So we have 1C and 2C, that is 2 C's, 2 factorial. Using this O also, how many letters are identical on the right hand side? No letter, 0 factorial. Similarly for this is again 0 factorial. 0 factorial, 0 factorial, 0 factorial. No adjustment you have to do. So what is the rank? Now you see 0 into this, that will be 0. 0 into 5 factorial by 4, 2 factorial, this is 0. This is 4 into 4 factorial divided by 0 factorial. All these terms will be 0. You can clearly see 0 into this, 0 into this, 0 into this, 0 into this. So what is this? This is 24 into 4, which is equal to 96. So what is the rank? Rank will be 90. Sorry, the question is, what is the number of words which appear before the word Cochin? That is 96. That is the answer. Agar question aisa hota, what is the rank? Rank will be equal to 97. Okay. So I hope you are getting this. So I'll give you one last practice for this. You have to write the rank of the word banana. Okay, you have to write the rank of the word banana. So this is the last question I'm taking on this concept, because problem generally comes in this type of question. We have the which are repeated letters. Okay, so now again, write in the alphabetical order. Let me write it A N A N A, banana, right? BANANA. So in alphabetical order, we will have A, then B, then N. So this is 3 and 3. Okay, 1, 3 and 2. 1. Okay. Okay. So now, how many numbers are less than 2 on the right hand side? We have 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. How many numbers are less than 1 on the right hand side? 0. How many numbers are less than 3 on the right hand side? This is 2. You have only 1 and this one, 2. How many numbers are less than 1 on the right hand side? No, 0. How many numbers are less than this 3 on the right hand side? 1, not 0, 1. And this is 0. Okay. Now we have to write 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, and 5 factorial, because now we have some identical letters. We have to make some adjustments here. Now, what will be the adjustment for this first? How many letters are identical on the right hand side of B, including B also? So you can see how many are identical. We have 1, 2, 3. So we will divide by 3 factorial. We have these two also, so we have to divide by 2 factorial also. This is the adjustment you have to make. For A, you have to make adjustment. For N, you have to make adjustment. Okay. Now on the right hand side of this A, using this A also, how many are identical? We have 1, 2, 3. We have to include this A also. 1, 2, 3 identical. That is 3 factorial. These two are identical. This is 2 factorial. I hope this is clear. Now on this taking this N also, and on the right hand side, how many identical? You can clearly see this is 2 factorial, 2 factorial. N, 2 factorial, A, 2 factorial. Now same thing, using this A, how many identical? 1 and 2. So this is 2 factorial, only a 1 N, right? Similarly on this side, no identical, no identical. So this is the arrangement, this is the adjustment you have to make. Now, what is the final answer? 3 into this. 3 into 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 2 factorial, plus. It will be 0 only. Plus 2 into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. This is 0. You can see. Plus 1 into 1 factorial by 0 factorial. And this will be plus 0. Correct? I hope this is clear. So what is this? This is 10, 30. This is 0. This is cancelled. 2 factorial 2 cancelled. 6 by 2. 3. 1. So what is this? 34. So what is the rank? Rank, if the question is what is the rank of this word, rank will be 35. 34 plus 1, which is equal to 35. If the question is how many words are before banana, then the answer will be 34. So I hope this is clear. This is very important. Again, this is very common question in many competitive exams. So you must know this shortcut because it saves time. Okay. So I hope you have liked this concept. Please hit the like button if you have enjoyed it. Okay. I'll give you the next concept in the upcoming video. So please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.